In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to all pages using Google Sites. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional looking footer that automatically appears at the bottom of every page on your site, so you only need to design it once. Let's start by opening Google Sites. In your browser, go to the Google Sites homepage and make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns or can edit the site you want to work on. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're on the right one. Otherwise, you might not see the site you're expecting. Once you're on the Google Sites dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing sites. Find the site you want to update and click on it to open it in the editor. This will take you to the main editing interface, where you can see a preview of your homepage in the center and your tools and page list around it. Now, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page preview. You should see an option that says Add Footer. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you do, a new footer area will appear at the bottom of the page, along with a formatting toolbar that lets you control how your footer looks. And next, it's time to design and build out your footer. Click inside the footer area and start by adding any text you want, such as your business name, a short description, copyright information, or links to important pages like contact, about, or privacy policy. Use the formatting options in the bar that appears to change the font, size, alignment, and color, so it matches the style of your site. You can also adjust the background color of the footer to help it stand out or blend in with your overall design. Think about keeping it simple and consistent. A clean footer is easier to read and looks more professional. Make sure any links you add are working by clicking on them and setting the correct URLs. The key thing to understand is that adding a footer in Google Sites is a global action. That means once you create it on one page, Google Sites automatically applies that same footer to the bottom of every page on your site. You don't need to copy and paste it or redo the design on each page. When you're happy with how it looks, use the preview and publish options to check your site live. Your new footer should now appear consistently across all your pages, giving your site a polished, unified finish.